Welcome. In front of me is an OUKITEL WP36, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, locate the Do Not Disturb mode, which for me it is visible on the first page right over here. Once you see the toggle, you can hold it the first time around and this will quickly take you to the settings. In here, go through all the options, customize them to fit your needs, and once you have done so, you can close this. Now I am going to touch upon one option in here that I find very useful for people that will be using this Do Not Disturb mode manually on random occasions. So under the duration for quick settings, by default, Do Not Disturb mode is always set to until you turn it off, which is kind of a not very good option, to be honest, because once you enable it and forget about it, the mode will be running indefinitely in your background. So what you can do is set it on a timer, make it a bit longer, maybe 4 hours, and confirm it. And what will happen now is whenever you actually enable it, like so, as you can see, it will get enabled for the specified amount of hours. After that time passes, it will automatically turn it off. Now, you don't need to wait for it to be turned off by the device. You can also do that yourself, assuming you remembered about it. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.